I'm firing a whole lot of my directors in 2026 and I'm creating a brand new board of directors inside ChatGPT, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. If there are people you trust or influencers that you follow in any type of industry, you can put them on an advisory board like this and bounce ideas off them whenever you have them inside ChatGPT. Let's not delay and get stuck into the build. First things first, we are going to paste in this prompt. This is the specialized prompt we will use to build our personalities on our board of directors. It tells ChatGPT who we want on our board, that we want a 6,000 to 10,000 word report on each personality, covering everything from their biography, core philosophies, business frameworks they use, their quotes, growth methods, etc. Don't worry about pausing the video. A copy of this prompt is ready for you to grab down in the description below. The only thing I will mention is that you will need to change it from my business, ClearPoint AI, to yours and adjust the personalities if needed. The personalities I've chosen to have on my board are Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, Cassie Kozikrov, the former chief decision scientist at Google, and now CEO of Data Scientific, Ali K. Miller, the 5-time top voice for AI and technology and AI Innovator of the Year, Alex Hormozi, the entrepreneur and superstar businessman, Tony Robbins, life coach, performance and mindset coach, Dr. Arthur Brooks, professional happiness and growth mindset coach helping build professional success, Pat Flynn, rapid social media growth, industry-leading entrepreneur and audience-first education, Gary V, social media strategist and personal branding leading entrepreneur. This team is going to help me take my business to new heights. Right now, let's activate this prompt. But to maximize the success, we need to use agent mode. Agent mode will turn ChatGPT into our digital assistant that can complete complex multi-step tasks like this one. It will perform a deeper research, planning, and analysis on each of the personalities on our board. Let's activate it and let it run. There is a lot of research to do, so it will take some time, probably about 20 minutes for something this size. Okay, it's done. Let's check it over to see how it did. Sam Altman is first, gives me a brief bio, core philosophies, leverage risk, decision-making, priorities. It looks like it nailed it first. Try and have really gone into some significant depth. And this is exactly what we want. We want Sam Altman's personality to be like a real life person on our board of directors. Now that is done. We can download it. We need to click share, then download as a PDF. The PDF is what we will upload into our custom GPT as the knowledge base. Now we can move on to Cassie's now. Let's just scroll through quickly to make sure all the information is here and looks correct. It looks good. Let's download it and save it as a PDF. The key now is just to go through each one and download them all correctly as PDFs. The final report should be one called System Instructions. This essentially tells our board how to act when asked a question, which format to present in, that we want it to show evidence if possible to support their decision, and it outlines each person's strengths. Once that is done and you can see all your personalities and the system instructions in a folder together, we can move on to creating our custom GPT. You will need the $20 per month paid subscription to be able to build your own GPTs inside ChatGPT, but I can tell you that it is definitely worth it. Go to the left-hand side and click on GPTs, then click on Explore GPTs. In the top right corner, click Create. Let's name our custom GPT, Virtual Board of Directors, add a simple description, ClearPoint AI Advisory Board of Directors. The instructions section is where you will need to add in your prompt so the custom GPT knows what its role is and what to do. This prompt is, again, quite big. I spent some time going back and forth with ChatGPT to make sure I got it exactly the way I wanted it. Again, this prompt is provided to you in the video description below. Just remember to adjust to your business and your personalities. The easiest way to do this correctly is just to copy and paste this prompt into your ChatGPT. And if your ChatGPT knows you well, you can get it to adjust the prompt easily to be all about you and your business simply by asking it to change the information. Okay, let's copy it and paste it into our instructions section. Have a quick final scan through to make sure it all looks good. Once you are happy with it, you can move on to conversation starters, which are just chat prompts. So I am going to add a couple in here. You can make these whatever you like. Once you have done that, it is time to upload those personality files and system instructions into this custom GPT. Click upload files, highlight all the PDF documents, and then click open. You should see all the files start to load in. If you have a recommended chat GPT model you like to use, you can select it, but for now I am going to leave it on no recommended model. Capabilities, we will leave these on so our directors can use web search and create images if needed. We don't need to create any new actions or link any other tools to this GPT. Finally, we will scroll to the top and upload an image photo for our custom GPT. Then before we publish it, we can give it a quick test on this right-hand side. As you can see, here are our conversation starters we added. To test it, I am just going to click this one and hopefully we should see it give us an answer. And there we go. It looks like it's provided us a pretty solid answer with input from all our different personalities. Once you are happy with it, you can click create. From there, we can choose to select that anyone with the link can access this board of directors. So if you own a business and you want other staff in your company to be able to ask questions to the board, you can share the link with them. In this instance, this board of directors is just for me, so I'm going to select only me and then click save. Click View GPT, then give it another quick test, this time by typing something. I have $50,000 to spend to upgrade my business. How do you recommend I spend it to get maximum ROI? Boom. And there we go. It is working perfectly. I'm currently offering a free one-on-one personalized training course for those interested in learning more about how they can maximize the output from ChatGPT. If you're interested, make sure you click the link in the description or down in the comments section below. If you're interested in seeing another custom GPT built inside of ChatGPT, click the video up here and smash the like button on the way out.